that worries me about cars, especially when it gets colder, is battery. This is a 2000, and I got this battery from a scrapyard, recycled, and it's doing really quite well. But what I do notice is that I can't seem to get rid of this calcium in all my batteries. I haven't really had the time to look around. To look around or research what's causing this in anything. But there was one time where I was leaving work and I couldn't start my car. I opened up the hood and guess what? I ran out of battery. The only way I knew was because I had all this buildup. I walked up to our nearby coffee shop and I asked distribution guys to come and help me out. Older gentlemen. They were very nice to me. And when they opened it up, they told me, okay, so this is what you got to do. Right? Straightforward. Just like that. Cleans it up. Right? But anyways, that's one trick I learned. So silly me, a long time ago, I happened to cross the wires. And I crossed the wires when I was boosting the cables. So guess what? I freaked out. Horn went loud. It was really loud. So then I figured out, uh-oh, I think I broke something. The first instinct was this, I gotta check the fuse. There's a fuse in here. So anyways, so you open it up. And guess what? Battery fuse right there. Right? Just like it says here. Battery fuse. Right? So, if you notice, there's only 2 screws there. First thing I did was I called one of the local car parts stores, and they told me that it's gonna take some time to deliver, to get it in stock. So, instead of waiting around, because I can't be without a car, I actually went and I just went straight to the nearest scrapyard. Went to the scrapyard, took one out, and put back in. It requires 2 screws. Crossing the wire is not the end of the world. Anyways, one of my friends, it happened to him. He crossed his wires. He was trying to boost his car, and he actually had the car towed to the dealership, and he ended up paying, I think, $150 just to get the fuse back on. So, while I clean this and that and pour more water in it, alright guys, okay, keep doing things and figure things out on your own. Bye.